Hello everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. In this video, I will talk about technical analysis strategy in EUR USD for this week. Don't forget to subscribe me. First, we go to weekly time frame. This time is structural time frame for me. We are in trading range here. We have upside candles here. This close is under prior week. We expect drop down to moving average, then move up to complete right shoulders. Now we go to daily time frame. This time is trend time frame. This trend has broken here and closed above final high in trend. We expect a retest final low here. After making double bottom, move up. Here we have a breakout structure. Then go pull back to this level and moving average act as support line. So here is buy entry point. After move up as hit as major move of this leg, here we have back and then go up. After making triple top, back down. Here is a double top pattern, so drop down. This level made a double bottom pattern. Also moving average act as support line. It can be support line or trading range. Here we had buy pressure by this pin bar candle. So we expect moving up here. This pattern can be a head and shoulder. And we go up to here. Then pull back, and if the price can break neckline, moving up will continue. Also, if the price can break neckline, we expect move down. Okay, now we are going to 1 hour time frame. Here we had an uptrend. This trend was broken here. Drop down under final low level. So we expect continue coming down after pullback. Here we see moving average as resistance line and continue dropping down to initial trend level. This line is support line of high time frame. Also here made the double bottom. Now we are near moving average line. We had head and shoulder here, so we expect moving up continue to this resistance line. Here we will see what's the price reaction. The price can break this line and move up, or maybe continue this downtrend. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me. We are here to learn together.